Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we have something super cute and fun to unbox, this adorable heart-shaped waffle maker. If you're a fan of waffles and want to add a little extra love to your breakfast or brunch, this is something you will want to check it out. So let's dive in. So this mini heart-shaped waffle maker makes delicious golden brown heart-shaped waffles every time, and compact size is perfect for dorm rooms, small kitchen and campers and more. And it makes one heart-shaped waffle at a time, and the power is 550 watts and quickly heat 5 inches non-stick cooking surface for even and consistent cooking. So these are some more details and more pictures about this waffle maker. Alright, let's get this box open. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do it right now. I just opened this and see, first we got this amazing mini waffle, like heart-shaped waffle maker itself. And I'm gonna take everything out of the box and I will show you one by one. So this is my mini heart-shaped waffle maker, and look at this. It's compact, lightweight, and it has like little cute heart-shaped design. And we also got a thank you note and like 5% discount code for like our next purchase. And these are some more products from this company. We also got this user manual, like it has all the instruction, which is always handy for the first time user. And if you are a newbie in the waffle making world, there is also a recipe booklet to give you some inspiration on what to cook. And guys, I'm gonna put the mess away and let's see our heart-shaped waffle maker. And here is the star of the show. Okay, so this is our cute and the mini heart-shaped waffle maker. It has the like very smooth exterior with the like handle that feels very sturdy. And on the front you will notice the indicator lights and red for when it's ready to cook, and the non-stick plate inside are just perfect for easy cleanup. So this one make really cute heart-shaped waffle in just few minutes, and it has also non-stick coating, so your waffle is not gonna stick on it. And one more thing about this waffle maker, this is like 5 inches waffle, so each time you will get a 5 inches heart-shaped waffle. So I'm gonna try this out and let's see like how it's gonna work. Now let's fire this thing up. It heats up really quickly, and this indicator lights turn red once it's ready to go. And you can also adjust the cooking timing, so it's all depend on your like how crispy you like your waffle. So I'm just gonna put this thing into the wall socket and I'm gonna pour some batter in it, and let's try this. I plugged in the wire, little indicator light is turned on. And guys, this mini heart-shaped waffle maker is perfect for special occasions like Valentine's Day, or just to make your mornings a little sweeter. So I already made the batter, so I'm just gonna pour a little batter in this heart-shaped waffle maker and we'll see the magic. Okay guys, so just pour in like about half of cup, and after that we're going to close the lid. That's all we need to pour in it. And I'm just gonna close the lid and wait for those heart-shaped waffles to cook up. After about couple minutes, you will see the light will turn off and it's telling you that your waffles are all done. So I'm just gonna wait for couple minutes, and it's been 90 seconds. I'm going to open this lid and let's see the waffle. Oh my god, look at that golden crispy heart-shaped waffle. They are crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. They smell amazing. I cannot explain, guys. Look at this. It's so crispy from outside and just fluffy from inside. Okay my friends, so I'm gonna put this in the plate and I'm gonna make another one. And while this one will be in the making, I will add some toppings in the first one. You can hear the sizzle. It's so satisfying, guys. You can add like toppings according to your choice, like some chocolate syrup, some maple syrup, strawberries or whipped cream. Today I'm going to add some maple syrup on my cute heart-shaped waffle because I love maple syrup. Add some yummy maple syrup on top of it because I love maple syrup. Oh my god, this looks so good and I cannot wait to eat this. After using this, I can honestly say that this heart-shaped waffle maker is a fun and easy way to make breakfast special, and this waffles come out perfectly every time, and it's super simple to clean. So the only downside is that the waffles are a bit smaller than what you get from a regular waffle maker, but that's a small price to pay for such a cute and charming design. So I just love this.